how to turn on flash for calls on iPhone. So if each time you have an incoming call, you want your iPhone to flash your camera light, then this is how you can easily turn it on. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down and click on accessibility. Scroll down accessibility, and then you want to click on audio and visual. Scroll down audio and visual. You should see a feature called flash for alert. Click on that. Now turn on flash for alert. Make sure you select both if you want your phone screen to flash and then the flashlight to flash. But if you only want the LED flashlight, just select LED flashlight. And then you are good. Now when next you have an incoming call on your iPhone LED flashlight is going to flash for notifications. And that's it. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.